guys, we are back. We have this blue point right here, it's named Police. Simplex right here, it's 299-9754. It's 299-9756, and this is 499-9754. We pull Twister right now. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, sorry about that. Just popped out. Gotta be cleared. Yeah, you pull like that. You remove this. This is the logo. To see the bar. This is the bar. Yeah, the bar's right here. To pull it. Yeah. To reset this, you need a key. Right here. And there's this. Put the key right here. There. And let's pull Simplex. And then set this, press the button only, press button. And yeah, show you more. We have here Spectral or the Benz, ESD Genesis, Simplex X, and Simplex speaker only. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.